Hi kids! Welcome back to Mommy Chi Vlogs. In this video, you're going to learn another consonant sound. Before we proceed to our lesson, let's sing a song. Do you know the song London Bridge is Falling Down? Great! Let's sing it. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with iron bars, iron bars, iron bars. Build it up with iron bars, my fair lady. In the word London, will you say the word London? Again, London. London is a place, a city in United Kingdom. It's the capital of United Kingdom. London. Do you know what sound London begins? London begins with L sound. L. L. Will you say the sound? L. L. London. L sound is represented by letter L. Let's learn more things or words that begin with L sound. L. L. I'll be showing you more pictures and you're going to tell me what is it. Ready? What is it? It is a lion. Lion. Will you say it? Lion. Lion. Does it also begins with L sound? Yes. Lion also begins with L. L. Lion. Another one. What is it? It is a leaf. Leaf. Will you say it? Leaf. Leaf also begins with L sound. L. L. Leaf. Next one. What is it? It is a lizard. Lizard. Will you say it? Lizard. Lizard. Lizard also begins with L sound. L. 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 Lizard. Another one. What is it? It is a ladder. Ladder. Will you say it? Ladder. Ladder. Does it also begins with L sound? Yes. Ladder also begins with L sound. L. 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 Ladder. Another one. What is it? It is a log. Log. Lug. Will you say it? Lug. Lug. Does it also begins with L sound? Yes. Lug also begins with L. L. Lug. How about this one? What is it? It is a lamb. Lamb. Will you say it? Lamb. 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 Again, lamb. Lamb also begins with L sound. L, L, lamb. Another one. What is it? It is a lemon. 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 Will you say it? Lemon. Lemon. Lemon also begins with L sound. L, L, lemon. And this one, what is it? It is a heart shape, right? It's a symbol of love. 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 Will you say it? Love. Does it also begins with L sound? Yes. Love also begins with L. L. Love. London. Lion. Leaf. Lizard. Ladder. Log. Lamb. And love. All this begins with L sound. L. L. Which is represented by letter L. 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 I'm going to teach you now the hand motion for the letter L sound. L. Make your hand like this, like the shape of a heart. That means love. Do you know the letter sound? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Do you know the letter sounds? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. L, 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 love. L, 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 as in love. That's for now. Hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.